Okay, so let us go to questions of today's quiz. Question number 1 is the value of a for which one root of quadratic equation is twice as large the other. Okay, so if we take the roots to be beta and 2 beta, okay, so one root is beta, so other will be 2 beta. Okay, so sum of the roots will be how much? Beta plus 2 beta equal to minus of coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is what? 3a minus 1. So 3a minus 1 upon coefficient of x square. So that is how much? A square minus 5a plus 3. So for now I am taking, since you have to write it too many times, so I am taking that value to be m. Okay, this in exam also, to save a fraction of seconds, you can do this. Okay, so 3 beta equal to minus of 3a minus by m. Okay, now every time you have to write that. In fact, you can directly use this. Okay, now product of roots will be how much? 2 beta square equal to coefficient of coefficient of x to the power 0 or 1, so that will be 2 upon coefficient of x square, so m. Okay, so now we'll substitute the value of beta from here to here. Okay, so beta square means nothing but 9a, sorry, so this will square. If you square this, you can write it as 9 beta square equal to 3a minus 1 whole square upon m square. Okay, so beta square can be written as this upon 9, so 3a minus 1 whole square upon 9 m square equal to 2m. Okay, so this gets cancelled, this becomes here. Now we can send this to RHS and expand this. Okay, so this is 9a square minus 236a plus 1 equal to 9 into, now we'll have to write m, a square minus 5a plus 3, so 9a square minus 6a plus 1 equal to 9a square minus 9545 plus 9327. Okay, this gets cancelled, this becomes 39a, this becomes 26, so a equals to 13 to 26 3, so 2 by 3 is the answer to this question. Done. Okay, so now let's go to the next question. So the next is this particular fx is greater than 0. So I have already told in the doubt videos and everywhere, whenever as soon as you see greater than 0, fx greater than 0, then it means that roots are non-real. Just think of this scenario. If it is greater than 0, then it will never cut the x-axis. So if it never cuts the axis, then what does it mean? It means that no real roots. Okay, so no real roots means what? So this is how you link up things. Okay, this is how you link up things to get to the what is needed. Okay, so discriminant will be less than 0. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. Don't take this literal b square, like a is also there, so you take that a square only, not that. B square means coefficient of x, and a is coefficient of x square, c is coefficient of the constant term. Okay, so b square minus 4ac, so rb is 2a, this will be less than 0. Okay, so this, or b square is less than 4ac, so b square 2a square less than 4, a is how much? A is 1, you can see that coefficient of x square is 1, and c is 10 minus 3a. Okay, so 4a square less than 40 minus 4 3 12a, so cancel 4's, 10 3, so a square minus plus 3a minus 10 less than 0, or b square less than, okay, so you can see that 4a square b square minus 4ac less than 0, so b square less than 4ac, a square plus 3. Okay, so a square plus, or did I do some mistake? Okay, a square plus 5a minus 2a minus 10 less than 0, so a we can take common, so a plus 5 minus 2 common, so a plus 5. Okay, less than 0. Okay, I was correct, I don't know why I got confused. Less than 0 means it will be from minus 5 to 2. None of the options are in such way, so all are gone. Okay, now let's come to the next question. This is a good one. This I have written because this is a past CAT question. Okay, it was written the year over there, so that's why I did hide that. Next one is, a group of 630 children in a row were arranged. Each row contains 3 fewer children than its previous. Okay, so if there are x, then next will be, if there are x, then in next row it will be x minus 3, in the next it will be 3 previous, so x minus 6, then x minus, then 3 again previous, like this. Okay, now what number of rows is possible? Okay, so if we take 3 rows, then we will take only these 3 values. Okay, and we have given that there are 630 children. Okay, which of the is not possible. Okay, so let's add them all. It is 3x minus 9 equal to 630. You don't need to calculate, just think. This will be cancelled. We just need integer x. Okay, this will be cancelled by 3, this will also be cancelled by 3. So x equal to 3 is possible. Now let's come to x equal to 4. So these 4 values you have to take. Just think, 4x, this is 639, 18. So minus 18 equal to 630. Add them, add both, so you'll get 648 divided by 4. So it is possible. You can see that this is divisible, this is divisible. So x will be integer. So no need to calculate further. Now let's go for 5. If you go for 5 rows, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more will be x minus 12. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5x, and this is 6, 3, 9, 9, 9, 18, 18, 12, 30. So this is already multiple of 630, is already multiple of 5, and again 30 gets added. This is also multiple of 5, so 5 is also possible. So x, 3, 4, 5, all 3 are possible. Okay, now let's come to next one. X equal to 6. So if x equal to 6, 2 more rows gets added up, 12 and 15, right? 1, 2, 3, yes. When you add them all, till here we have already added, it was how much? 5x, then this x gets added, 6x, and here it was 6, 3, 9 and 30, and this will be 45, and this is 630. No, so now you can see that 6 means it should be multiple of 2, but 630 plus 45 won't be a multiple of 2, so 6 not possible. So 6 is the answer to this question. You can check for 7 as well, but it is not needed actually. Okay, so like next one, let's see. So the next question is, given x, y are positive real numbers, x plus y equal to 5, find the maximum value. Very easy question, a straightforward application of AMGM. Okay, so I'm telling you that how, if I solve, then how I solve by speaking as well. Okay, so what I do is, we have x cube y square, so I immediately write all the x's. So we like I have 3 x's, so I will write x x x. Okay, I have y square, so I will write y y. Now coefficient of x in this x plus y equal to 5, in this coefficient is 1, and total I have 3, so 1 by 3, so each will be 1 by 3. And here I have 2 y's and coefficient is 1, so 1 by 2, so y by 2, y by 2, y by 2, and am greater than gm. Okay, we know that we have derived these things from this only, so no need to write complete step. You can skip that step and directly write 5 by total number of terms are how much? 3, 3, 5 equal to, we know that this x cube y square will come, no need to write that, write it x square y square, then x cube y square, then 3 cube 2 square, so 3, 3, 9, 3, 27, and 27 into 4, it will be 1 by 108, and power will be 5. Okay, now this gets cancelled, so power will be 1 by 5, so this goes this side, this will be 5 x cube y square, so x cube y square will be 108 is the answer. Okay, this is how you can minimize space, only this much it will require. Okay, this much space. Someone was asking how to minimize space, this is how you will. Okay, now this is a very easy question, last one, mod x plus 1, this. We have how many friends? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5 and 6 friends we have, so minimum will be how much? 6 by 3, even है तो 6 by 2, even है तो 3 and 4 पे होगा. ठीक है, so 3 and 4, 3 will lie where? 3 will lie with this x plus 2 friend, so x plus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 2, just put minus 2, so minus 2 plus 1 will be 1, and here it will be 0, and at the end it will be 3, so 3, 1, 4, 4 is the answer to this question. That's it, done. See how much less space it took. So this was it, I hope it is clear.